Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is 19th video for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In this video, we are going to complete our teacher dashboard. In our previous video, we have created the teacher login and teacher register, same as we have created in our previous video for the user login and register. Now in this video, I am going to complete the user dashboard. In the user dashboard, I have completed all the pages. Okay, so it is the same as we have created for the user, so that I'm not going to creating this live, but I have created these pages. Okay, and you can see that now I'm using the Linux Ubuntu 20. Okay, so this is quite fast if I compare with the window. Okay, so here you can see that I have created all the pages. Okay, so this is change password, profile setting, my user, add course, my courses. Okay, this is very simple. We have created add courses component, like whatever we need, we have created the components. Here you can see that here we have teacher change password, teacher courses, teacher dashboard, teacher login, teacher profile setting, everything. And after that we have added in the main component. Here you can see that in the main component we have added this. Okay, so here you can see that, and of course you need to import this in the top of this file. Okay, and we have created this. So let's go to browser, and here you can see that this is dashboard, my courses, add course, my users, profile setting, change password, and after that log out. Okay, so this is very simple video. In this I just want to show you that we have created the all the pages for the teacher and the user. Now we can move to the landing pages, because we need to create the teacher detail page, user detail page. We also need to create this video section. Okay, so in the next video we will create this. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series, you are enjoying this tutorial. If you have any doubt, anything, then please add in the comment box. And please let me show you one thing more. Code Artisan Lab. So here we have a about us section. Okay, in this about us section I have defined all the links, so you can support me via Razorpay, PayPal, and I will give you access to the all of the code. Okay, and after supporting me, please send me your email ID. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Okay, please stay tuned with this, and I'm going to upload lots of projects with the very useful example. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.